Doc, as you know, I am now a full-time dad. We have beautiful Callie. I'm very excited. November is National Adoption Month, and November, of course. But I'm concerned. So this is the medical kit that we got for Callie, which, you know, every kid, you know, almost 3 years old, you know, plays doctor and stuff. So we got some, you know, we got some good tools here. Little scissors there, little heartbeat, as she calls it, heartbeat. You know,
that actually might work.
It's it'll do something. Sure,
I think that'll work. I think that'll work. Yeah. I'm not sure about the scissors, but that's probably just as well.
Well, yeah. Well, just wait. So obviously we're doing dental work and we're checking your ear as well, stuff, and she likes that. You know, checking the reflexes.
Yep.
It's a thermometer there, although, you know,
it's a syringe or thermometer.
That's a thermometer. Right. So yeah. We don't want to, you know, and of course we have the syringe there because you know that's.
There you go. That's all part
This is the one concern I have, though. Why are we giving a bedpan to children?
All right. I think this may be a kidney dish.
Even better.
Rather than a bedpan, and these are traditionally used to collect vomit. So when I say collect, I don't mean as in gather. I mean as in.
Sure.
Yeah. So that is probably. It's probably a realistic size.
Why?
And it fits nicely under the chin.
Whatever happened to the Cyclops thing? Like the headband, that's not in here. I mean, whatever happened to that?
You can pretend this is it.
Yes, absolutely. Nothing like a bedpan on the forehead, ladies and gentlemen. I tell you.